The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic personal finance book written by George S. Clason. Set in ancient Babylon, the book uses engaging parables and stories to impart timeless financial wisdom and principles that are still relevant today. Aims to teach readers the importance of financial discipline, wealth accumulation, and the path to financial independence. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who is renowned for his wealth and wisdom. Arkad, who started as a poor scribe, reveals his secrets of financial success to a group of young men seeking financial guidance. The first principle emphasized in the book is the importance of saving. Arkad shares the story of how he learned to save and invest a portion of his earnings. He explains the concept of paying oneself first and suggests that individuals save at least 10% of their income. Arkad then introduces the concept of wise investment. He emphasizes the need to put one's money to work to generate more wealth. He advises against reckless speculation and instead encourages investing in proven and reliable opportunities. The power of compounding through the story of a chariot builder named Mathon. Mathon diligently saves and invests a portion of his earnings, allowing his money to grow exponentially over time. The principle of compounding interest is illustrated as a powerful force for building wealth. Arkad teaches the readers about the importance of owning their own homes and avoiding excessive debt. He advises against borrowing for non-essential purposes and encourages individuals to prioritize debt repayment. The need for careful and well-informed investment decisions. Arkad shares the story of a farmer who was tricked into making poor investment choices. He emphasizes the importance of seeking advice from knowledgeable individuals and conducting thorough research before investing. The significance of protecting one's wealth. Arkad teaches the young men the importance of insuring their assets and taking precautions to avoid unnecessary risks. He warns against entrusting one's finances to unreliable individuals and encourages the readers to take personal responsibility for their financial well-being. Arkad emphasizes the value of knowledge and continuous learning. He advises the readers to seek wisdom from those who have achieved financial success and to develop their own financial intelligence through education and self-improvement. The Richest Man in Babylon offers valuable financial lessons through its parables set in ancient Babylon. The importance of saving, investing wisely, avoiding excessive debt, and protecting one's wealth. It emphasizes the power of compounding interest and the need for continuous learning and self-improvement. By applying the timeless principles presented in the book, readers can set themselves on the path to financial success and abundance.